Hey, it's Matt Hastings here, realtor with Keller Williams Realty Plano. A lot of times people ask me, hey, what's going on in the market? What's going on in real estate? And so I took a moment and I wanted to take a moment with you to share with you some of my findings and give you an update on the third quarter of 2017. When we look at the market overall, prices are up 9% for single family homes, with the average sales price of $313,000 versus $288,000 a year ago today. That's basically a $25,000 increase in equity for homeowners who bought last year. Something that I really like to look at and pay attention to when I'm looking at the market is the list versus sold price. For the DFW market, the list versus sold ratio is 96.2%. In other words, if you were to list your home for $100,000, most likely your closing price would be $96,200. Obviously, the closer this to 100, the stronger the market is. A key thing about the DFW market is it's still a very affordable market. When you look at the market, under $250,000, 48% of the homes sit in that segment. When you move up to the next price bracket, 37% of the homes fit in that segment. So overall, 85% of the homes in DFW are priced under $450,000. When I start to look at days on market are averaging 42 days for year to date. Now, days on market simply indicates the time that a house is on the market before it's sold. What's really interesting though is while this is down slightly from 2016, when we break it down by price point, we can see the market is still very, very tight in the under $450,000 range, with only 26 days on market and the under $250,000 range. And then it steadily kind of ekes up in the $1 million plus range. Obviously, we'd expect to climb slightly as there are fewer buyers in this price range, but what this really shows is how strong the demand is in the lower parts, in the majority of our market, really. If you have a home that's in this price point, conditions are great for you selling in the near future. A lot of my clients want to look at condos or townhomes when they factor in into their search. So I basically went and looked at those segments. Condos are up 10% year to date with an average selling price of $248,000, and townhomes are up 6% year to date with an average selling price of $280,000. Obviously, real estate is all local, and I'd really love to chat with you more personally about your community, your neighborhood, and even the value of your house. If you wanted to quickly get a good estimate, you can go to our website at hredfw.com/sell. I'm really looking forward to connecting with you in the future. Please leave your comments, your questions, and your feedback in the section below. Thanks so much for tuning in.